Don't worry guys, I'm not going to make you sit through this whole video in silence. But I did want to make a quick video showing you how you can do live captioning with Google Slides. Now, there are probably 100 reasons why you might want to have the text coming up on your screen while you're talking. For instance, you might have a student in your classroom with some sort of hearing impairment. You might have a student who could really benefit from having the actual text on the screen while you're talking. Or maybe you just want to have a lesson where the text would be there to clarify if any students had questions about the words that you were saying. Those are all great reasons to use live captioning during your lessons. So, you're probably wondering, how do you use this awesome technology? Well, I'm about to show you. So first of all, this will work in any Google slide. It could be an old slide you've had, it could be a new one that you're creating. Any Google Slides now has access to live captioning. In fact, maybe the slides aren't even a lesson. You could just pull them up, and as long as you were using a Windows, Mac, or a Chromebook, your microphone will live caption anything that you say. So whatever your reason or whatever your lesson, it's super easy to get started with live captioning. The first thing you need to do is to open up a Google slide. So I already have one open here. Now once you're here, when you move your mouse, you'll notice that you get this menu that pops up that gives you a bunch of options. This is where your laser pointer is, if you have notes, all that kind of stuff, if you want to do a Q&A. Well, there's now a new feature down here that says captions. So as long as you go into present mode, you're in full screen, and you click that captions button, it will start captioning everything that you say live. Now, of course, it's not perfect. If you start talking really fast, it's going to have a harder time making sure that the words are correct. But it's pretty cool still that you can use this in pretty much any context, and it will caption those words, or at least do a pretty good job of it. Now, how can you use this in the classroom? Well, like I said, this would be great to use during a live lesson, so students would have text on the screen that mirrored the words that you were actually saying. But you could also record a video lesson and have the text scrolling along the bottom while you talked as well. As you can see, there are tons of applications for using captions in your classroom. Hopefully this will be something useful that will help your students with their academic goals. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.